You know how every morning you reach for your usual breakfast? And a few hours later you feel tired, hungry, or craving something sweet? I used to feel the same way. I thought maybe I just needed more willpower. But it wasn't about willpower at all. It was about what I was eating. Most people start their day with bread toast, bagels, muffins, pancakes. It's normal. It's convenient. Tastes good. But here's the problem. It doesn't give you lasting energy. Within a short time, your energy drops. You feel hungry again, and you start looking for snacks or coffee. I wanted to try something different, something simple, something that actually helped my body feel better. So I removed bread from my breakfast for 7 days. Instead, I ate just one avocado and one egg. First, I thought, this won't be enough. But by day 3, something changed. I wasn't thinking about food all the time. My stomach felt satisfied. I stayed full for hours. And it wasn't forced. Just happened naturally. Avocados contain healthy fats. These fats slow digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Eggs provide protein. Protein supports your muscles and helps keep your metabolism active. Together, they reduce cravings naturally. The second change I noticed was my energy. It felt steady. No sudden crashes. No ups and downs. Just calm, consistent energy throughout the day. My focus improved. My mood felt more balanced. I felt more alert. When you remove fast-digesting carbs, your body switches to a more stable fuel source. Instead of a roller coaster, you get smooth, steady energy. By the end of the week, the difference was clear. I wasn't hungry mid-morning. My energy stayed stable. My digestion felt better. I felt lighter, less bloated, more comfortable overall. Avocados are rich in fiber, which supports gut health. Eggs are gentle on digestion. Even removing processed bread for a few days can make a noticeable difference. Another change I noticed was fewer cravings. Normally, I'd want something sweet mid-morning, but this time those cravings were gone. Fats and protein keep your blood sugar stable, so your body doesn't ask for quick sugar anymore. And the best part? This breakfast is very easy to prepare. Cut the avocado, remove the seed, add a pinch of salt, optional, lemon juice or chili flakes. Then cook 1 egg, boiled, poached, or lightly fried. That's it. Quick, simple, repeatable. No special tools. No expensive supplements. No complicated rules. Just one small habit that can change your morning. I want to be clear. This is not a magic weight loss solution. Results can vary, but it creates a powerful ripple effect. When your morning improves, your entire day improves. You make better choices. You feel more motivated. You have more energy. Here's why it works. Refined bread raises blood sugar quickly. Then it drops. That drop causes hunger, cravings, and low energy. Fats and protein digest slowly. They keep energy stable. That's why this combination works so well. Keeps you full. It supports steady energy. And it reduces cravings naturally. So here's a simple challenge. Try this for 7 days. Replace your breakfast with 1 avocado and 1 egg. Notice your energy, your hunger, your digestion. Pay attention to small changes. They add up. On VitaSignal 60, we focus on simple habits that really work. If this helped you, consider subscribing, because one small change in the morning can change your entire day.